Hello students, my name is Sonali Pandey and I extend my warm welcome to you all. Perfect numbers like perfect men are very rare. This is a famous quote not by me but by a worldwide renowned a French mathematician René Descartes. He is also regarded as the father of coordinate geometry. So students, I hope that by now you must have guessed our today's topic. Yes, you are right. Today we are going to study coordinate geometry. So let's begin. Children, you can see I have taken a graph paper. On this graph paper, I have marked two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. Okay, and on these lines, I have marked some integers, the positive integers, negative integers, and this is 0. Okay, and one more thing you can see, the point where these two axes or the two lines meet is denoted by letter O. So what is the name of these two lines? The name of the horizontal line is called as x-axis. The name of the vertical line is y-axis. Further, the x-axis is divided into two halves. From O to X, it is positive x-axis, and from O to X dash, it is negative x-axis. It is just like number line. When you go towards the right direction, you can notice the numbers are increasing. And when you go in the backwards direction, you can see the numbers are decreasing. Similarly, in the same way, you can see the axis from O to Y is known as positive y-axis, and the axis from O to Y dash is called negative y-axis. Okay, one thing you have to remember that whenever you are placing the numbers should be at equal distances. That means the distance between any two integers should be equal to 1 centimeter or 1 unit. These numbers are placed at equal distances. And you will use the board lines of the graph. Okay, like after this box ends at this point. So I have marked 1 over here. Again the next box ends at this point, so I have marked 2 over here. Similarly, you will plot all the numbers or integers. Okay, the point where these two axes meet is called as origin. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Fine. This complete axis is called as x-axis from x to x dash, and this complete axis, the vertical one, is known as y-axis from y to y dash. Now one more thing you must have noticed that I have marked the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the Roman numbers. So these two axes divide the whole Cartesian plane into 4 equal parts known as quadrants. The first quadrant is marked at this place. So first quadrant is this. The second quadrant is this. In the anti-clockwise direction, you can see the third quadrant, and the last 1/4 part is known as fourth quadrants. So these quadrants are numbered in the anti-clockwise direction always. Okay, so let's understand how you will plot any point in this Cartesian plane. So randomly you have taken point A. See here. Now this point A, how will you locate its coordinates? What is the value of its x coordinate and the y coordinate? Now listen, you will join the point A with dotted line, and you will check where this dotted line is meeting the x-axis. Wherever this line is meeting at whatever point, that value is said to be the x coordinate value, and wherever this dotted line similarly is meeting the y-axis is known as the y coordinate, or that value is known to be the y coordinate value. Okay, so I have taken A point here, 4, 6. So let's check the x coordinate value. You will join this A point with dotted line, and you will see where is this dotted line intersecting with x-axis. It is meeting the x-axis at point 4. That means the value of x coordinate is 4. In the same way, this dotted line is meeting the y-axis at point 6. So the value of y coordinate of point A is 6. Always, one more thing you have to remember, it's a rule that first of all you have to pick the value of x coordinate, then you have to pick the value of y coordinate. This is known as ordered pair. 4, 6. Okay, the value of x coordinate will come in the front followed by the value of y coordinate. Let us take one more example. I have marked point B here. You can see the value of x coordinate as -5. How? In a similar manner, you will join this point B with dotted line and you will check where is this intersecting. At which point? On the x-axis. So you can see it is intersecting, the dotted line is intersecting the x-axis at point -5. That means the value of x coordinate of point B is -5. In the same way, the dotted line is intersecting the y-axis at point 6. So the value of y coordinate of point B is 6. One more thing. You have to remember that the other name of x-axis is abscissa and the other name of y coordinate is ordinate. The other name of x coordinate is abscissa, the other name of y coordinate is ordinate. So if I ask you what is the abscissa of point B, you will say the answer -5. What is the ordinate of point B? You will say the answer 6. Similarly, what is the abscissa of point A? It is 4. What is the ordinate of point A? It is 6. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us understand more clearly with the help of a question. Okay, so I am taking a question over here. Let's check. Plot the following ordered pairs x, y of numbers as points in the Cartesian plane. Use scale 1 cm is equal to 1 unit on the axis. Now the value of x coordinates are given to you, the values of y coordinates are given to you, and points are marked at A, B, C, D, E. That means the value of A point will be, the coordinates of A point will be -3, 7. The coordinates of B point will be 0, -3.5. Similarly for C, the value of C, the coordinates of C will be -1, -5. Similarly for D, 4, 0, and for E, 2, -3. So let us keep this aside for reference. Now I have taken one more graph paper. On this I have already marked the axis, the x-axis, x dash, and the y-axis, y dash. Let us locate these points now. The first point A. What are the coordinates? -3, 7. I have told you that according to the rule, first of all you have to find out the value of x coordinate. You will locate that value first. So -3 on the x-axis is here, and y is 7. That means the value of y coordinate is 7. So when you will locate the point, either you can use dotted line or you can join the point in dotted line in your mind only. You can imagine. So -3 is here and the y coordinate is here. That means this point is point A. You have located point A on this Cartesian plane. The coordinates are -3, 7. Understood? Next point B. It is 0, -3.5. Where is 0? At origin. -3.5. -3.5 is over here. That means you will mark this point as B point. Its coordinates are 0, -3.5. I hope you have understood. Now coming to C point. The coordinates are -1, -5. Where is -1? First of all, you will move to the x-axis. Minus 1 is here on x-axis. Where is minus 5? Minus 5 is here. That means you will locate the C point at this place. This place. So this is your point C. Its coordinates are minus 1 comma minus 5. Let us come to point D, 4 comma 0. Where is 4 on the x-axis? It is over here. And 0. 0 means you will not move upwards or downward. That means the value of y coordinate is 0. That means point D will lie on x-axis only. Write down the coordinates also, 4 comma 0. Next point is point E. The coordinates are 2 comma minus 3. First of all, locate 2 on the x-axis. Here is 2. Where is minus 3? It is downwards. So at this place approximately, at here, so this is point E. Okay, 2 comma minus 3. One thing you can remember, a tip for you, whenever you are moving in the right direction, you will just place the positive integers. Whenever you are going backwards, backward means decreasing order, you will place the integers in the decreasing order. Whenever you are going upwards, that means it's increasing, so you will place the integers in the increasing order. Whenever you are going downwards, that means a fall, so you will place the integers in the decreasing order. That means all negative integers downwards, all positive integers upwards, all positive integers in the right direction, all negative integers in the left direction. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening and watching. Please do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.